Good morning everyone. I am Sulekha Das and I am the student of J3S. Today I want to say something about how to achieve our dreams. We all have our dreams in our life. Like I have, you have, but someone gets their dreams and someone doesn't get their dreams. So who gets their dreams? How they can fulfill their dreams? So I believe some certain way how to we achieve our dreams. That I say that first of all that always we have our dreams, but we don't execute it. Like we think always about our dreams. So do you think that thinking is enough for it? Like I want to be a good speaker in my future, but if I think that I will learn English, I will learn English, then it will not come to me. But if I will practice on that, I will attend lots of classes, I will give lots of speeches, I will maybe I am doing lots of mistakes, but I think mistakes give you the way how to correct them. So I think the first point for achieving your goals, you should practice on it, you should determine on it. And second, I have to say that on your journey you can find lots of people who can depress you, who wants to let it you, but at that time you will not focus on them, you just ignore them. Because in our whole life there is lots of people, we will meet them, but it doesn't matter that we will give more importance to all of them. So we should think about us that whom we will give importance and whom we will not. Because negative people give a very good lesson, for good lesson to you, that they are also important. Because at that time you can find that they can surprise you, okay, and you have to achieve your dreams, to overcome on this problem. And we all know that there is a proverb that no pain no gain. And so you just take those people as a good way. Like they want to let it you, but you will make sure that you will get your dream very soon. And next I will have to say that you will focus on your dream, whatever you want to be in your life. Just work on hard, because there is no another option. If you will not if you will not work on hard in your field, then you will not get. So I think who gets their dreams, I think they follow those paths, that they focus on their dreams, they try hard work on these, and they didn't listen to the negative people. And they somehow they want their dreams and they don't give up. This is a very important point also. Because most of the time what's happened, you face some problem and you think that it's not possible to me to get my dreams. Please don't think that. Because I think your thinking is most important at that time. Your valuable mindset is very important. Because if you don't think about yourself, if you don't think about your dreams, then who will cares about it? No one. Believe on this, no one cares about it. So at first you think about it, and you don't give up. Maybe whatever the situation, maybe situation become very worst, for you. But believe me, if you have a belief on it, if you have a clarification on your dream, then you will achieve very soon. And at that time, you when you will achieve your dreams, at that time you can find that you achieve something. And now you can say by your journey to everyone that yes, I achieved something. And this is not a bad things to think about dream. Yes, I am a normal person, and I have a capacity to think about dreams, and I have a capacity to achieve my dreams, because I think we all know that who are the normal person, they can only achieve the dreams, because we all are normal. But when we will achieve our dreams, then we will become a famous person. So just focus on it, just think about it, and go hard work on it. And don't be lose your temper, don't be lose on your focus. And please ignore those people who suppress you. So thank you, that is all.